Sheamus. Oh, big boot.
Irish curse backbreaker. Cover. Hooks the leg. Orton stays alive.
Look at this. I don't know if you can see our crowd now, but they've resorted to a wave.
There we go.
Did you just see the look on Sheamus' face?
We are in an alternative universe.
Sheamus cannot believe what's going on here either.
I love every bit
The
of it.
night after WrestleMania, it's always this way.
These great fans have been on fire all night. This is awesome.
Are we in Canada? I don't know.